And why does 60% of internet users not know their data has been leaked? It's a staggering statistic, but it highlights a crucial issue in our digital age. Many of us go about our daily online activities blissfully unaware that our personal information might be floating around in the dark corners of the internet. The truth is, data breaches are more common than we think, and they can happen to anyone. From social media accounts to online shopping sites, our data is constantly at risk. But don't worry, we're here to help you take control and protect your information. Let's fix that. There are over 11 billion leaked records on the internet, and yours could be one of them. Imagine the sheer volume of data out there and the potential for misuse. It's a daunting thought, but knowledge is power. By being aware of the risks, you can take steps to safeguard your information. So, how do you find out if your email or phone number has been compromised? It's simpler than you might think. There are tools available that can help you check if your data has been leaked, and we're going to walk you through the process step by step, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's how to check if your email or phone number has been leaked online. It's a quick and easy process that can give you peace of mind and help you take action if needed. First, go to HaveIBeenPwned.com. Yes, that's the actual name. This website is a valuable resource for checking if your data has been compromised. It's free to use and provides detailed information about any breaches that may have affected you. Once you're on the site, type in your email or phone number and hit enter. The website will then search its extensive database of breached records to see if your information is included. If your data has been breached, it'll show you the platform and year, like LinkedIn 2016. It's important to note that just because your data has been breached, it doesn't mean you're immediately at risk. However, it's a clear sign that you need to take action to protect yourself. So, what should you do if you find out your info is out there? Okay, if you find out your info is out there, don't panic. Here's what you do. Change your password immediately. This is the first and most crucial step. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. Avoid using common words or phrases and include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. And please, never reuse passwords. That's playing with fire. Reusing passwords across multiple sites increases the risk of multiple accounts being compromised if one password is leaked. Instead, use a different password for each account to enhance your security. Next, set up two-factor authentication or 2FA. It's an extra layer of security that makes life harder for hackers. With 2FA, even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second factor, which is usually a code sent to your phone. Lastly, consider using a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password. These tools create and store strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. They also make it easy to manage your passwords, so you don't have to remember them all. And hey, here are some bonus tools. Use Firefox Monitor to keep track of your email for future breaches. You can even set up alerts, so you'll know right away if something goes wrong. This proactive approach can help you stay ahead of potential threats and take action quickly. It's also important to teach others about digital safety. Share this information with your friends and family, and encourage them to take steps to protect their data. The more people who are aware of these risks and know how to protect themselves, the safer we all will be. So, was your data leaked? Comment yes or save. And save this video. You'll need it again. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, you can protect your personal information and enjoy a safer online experience. Remember, digital safety is an ongoing process. Regularly check your accounts, update your passwords, and stay informed about the latest security threats. By doing so, you can minimize the risk of your data being compromised and keep your online presence secure. In conclusion, while the internet offers incredible opportunities and conveniences, it also comes with risks. By being proactive and taking steps to protect your data, you can enjoy the benefits of the digital world without compromising your security. Stay safe, stay informed, and take control of your digital life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with others. Together we can create a safer online community for everyone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. And remember, your digital safety is in your hands. Take the necessary steps today to protect your information and enjoy a worry-free online experience. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and stay informed. Until next time, take care and stay safe. So, was your data leaked? Comment yes or safe, and save this video. You'll need it again. And hey, here are some bonus tools. Use Firefox Monitor to keep track of your email for future breaches. You can even set up alerts so you'll know right away if something goes wrong. And most importantly, teach others about digital safety. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. So was your data leaked? Comment yes or safe. And save this video, you'll need it again. They create and store strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. And hey, here are some bonus tools. Use Firefox Monitor to keep track of your email for future breaches. You can even set up alerts so you'll know right away if something goes wrong. And most importantly, teach others about digital safety. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. Firefox Monitor to keep track of your email for future breaches. You can even set up alerts so you'll know right away if something goes wrong. And most importantly, teach others about digital safety. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. So, was your data leaked? Comment yes or safe. And save this video, you'll need it again.